Hello, this will be a short video on how to filter in the redesign. This video is not all inclusive. There are certainly some things I'm going to leave out. I just want to kind of show some basics to any new users that may or may not know that you can filter the different grids in redesign. For this example today, I'm going to be using the disbursements grid in redesign, but this applies almost universally to any screen in the redesign. So first things first, one of the ones you'll probably use the most is the equals. So for example, let's say I'm looking for a disbursement or check for $327. I can, in the amount field here, type in equals and the amount. So this brought up every check in my district's history that had $327. Another thing that you can do is, let's say you're looking for a vendor, maybe you don't know what they're really called. Maybe you know part of their name, but not all of their name. So what we can do is type the wildcard. The wildcard in redesign is the percentage sign. We can type in potentially part of their name. Now this doesn't have to be, in my example, I typed in Rose. This is going to pull up anything with Rose in it. So the first one here is Rose Rays. Because Rose is in the word Ambrose there. For the second one, the system is searching for Rose. It found Rose, even though only those 4 letters are in the first name of that vendor. That one's very handy if you only know a partial or a piece of what a name might be, or a description, or anything that you can filter on. Any of the fields that are on your grid, or any of the fields that you use using the More button to add to your grid, you can certainly search that way. For a date, let's say we want to see everything after 8/1/2021. So we can type in 8/1 21. We can also type it out as 2021. It doesn't matter if you do a 2-digit on the year or a 4-digit. If you type that in with nothing else other than the date, it's going to look at that 8/1 date and forward. So that is an option. If we wanted to look at, say, 8/1 and before, we could type in less than with the equal sign. That's going to show us anything on 8/1 and prior. If we just wanted to see anything prior to 8/1, we could just do the less than. So both of those are options. You could do, just know that the system will by default with a date do greater than or equal to. Those are probably the ones that you're going to use the most, is equals, greater than, less than, and using the wildcard to search if you know a partial bit of the name. So that's all I have for today. This was just a quick one to show the most commonly used filtering features. If you have any questions, please feel free to put a ticket into fstaffr@OME-RESA, and we will be very glad to help you. Thank you and have a great day.